Hey you guys, so I was able to go to the grocery store today alone. It was so nice to have a child-free grocery store experience. So I thought I'd make a really fast grocery haul video for you. It's obviously carnivore and keto. My kids do eat fruit and they do eat organic grass-fed yogurt. That is not what my husband and I eat. So you're gonna see a little bit of that in there. Also, I bought like a lot of like bread, cheese, and like large amounts of certain things because my son is having a birthday party here in a week and a half. And so I was kind of loading up on some items that he requested specifically for his birthday party. And we do a carnivore spread for birthdays now. Our kids do get to choose if they want cake. They usually do because it's their birthday. But you're gonna see just regular stuff that the kids and my husband eat, minus like our steak and things like that. We got an entire cow just like 2 weeks ago. And so we're all set with beef and all of our beef needs, but I did get some chicken and things I know the kids like to eat. So I hope you enjoyed this super quick video of our grocery haul that's gonna include, like I said, some extra stuff for Eli's birthday. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that super fast grocery haul. And yes, I understand that the brats and the things like that that came in today's video is definitely not a super clean food, but that is what my son wanted for his birthday. And so for birthdays, we get them what they want, but I hope you enjoyed this, got some ideas. Please give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.